Welcome kids and welcome back to Kiddo Colors. Today we are going to draw and color a beautiful earth picture in which we will draw a bright sun, a beautiful earth, a shiny moon and a sparkling stars. So take out your colors and let's begin. First I am drawing the sun. On the right side of the page, draw a circle for the sun. Now add long and short rays all around it to make it shine brightly. Next, let's start with our lovely earth. Draw a big round circle right in the middle of your page. Now, inside the circle, draw some curvy shapes. These are the continents. Great job, kids! Our earth outline is ready. Now, add little stars all around the sky. Make as many as you like. The sky looks magical. Now, on the left side of the earth, let's draw the moon. Draw a small circle, then draw another slightly smaller circle overlapping it. Erase the inside part and you get a beautiful crescent moon. Color the sun with bright yellow. You can add orange on the edges to make it glow even more. Let's color our earth now. Color the land green and the ocean light blue. Wonderful! Color the moon with white. Make it look calm and peaceful. Color all the stars white. Add some sparkles around them to make the night sky shine. Great job, kids! Today we drew and colored a earth picture. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fun drawings. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and keep shining.